Welcome to the second part of the gun range with Zach and Harry.
Little Glock 15 joints. No, Glock 17, my bad.
Gen 5 tweaking.
GTA shit.
So at this point, I started messing with a tactical Glock, which had a red dot scope on it. It had a torch. It was cool. I like this Glock a lot.
Ooh, full clip nearly extendo.
This is my shit just now. Hella headshots. I don't even think I hit the white or nothing.
Just don't go forward. Just don't stop leaving me out the loop.
No, this was just the one. They put up a fresh target. That was all my work. Now you about to put in some work. Me and you put in work on the other joint down here that I'm gonna show you. This is me and Zach's work.
I don't know where my cup at though.
That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.